all great things. One of the challenges for the Academy was convincing a lot of people of an idea this bold. And today, it's so interesting to look back on that, especially because of the proof of concept that we now have, the outcomes we're seeing in our students, graduate students, undergraduate students, are just extraordinary.
When I first came here, it was like being at Google or Apple or Adidas, where I work, where ideas are being shared on the left side of the brain and the right side of the brain.
I think technology and creativity go hand in hand. I think that, of course, you can be good at one or the other, but if you can master both techniques, I think you have the upper hand, especially in today's world.
I think majors in most schools tend to have you locked down into a certain discipline. Maybe it's entrepreneurship, maybe it's design, maybe it's computer science, maybe it's business. The Academy is focused on all those disciplines and not only learning and diving deep into every single one of those disciplines, but also learning about the intersection of those disciplines and how you can use those together to create amazing things.
In order to reimagine education, we need to reimagine how everyone views their involvement in education, right? Education is a shared responsibility inside of districts and outside of districts in order to really make it a meaningful product and a meaningful experience for students. So education will go as far as we take it, the we being me and you.
In terms of a different approach to education, everyone has this understanding that what we've been doing to this point hasn't worked, right? And so there's this need and this passion to make sure that we are preparing students in a way that we have not. Nothing had been done at the high school level that compares to what was happening at the Ivy Young Academy. So I was excited to be a part of something like that, to bring that experience to the student population that I'm passionate about working with. I mean, to be honest, it's a dream, right? It's a dream.
Part of the work of the Ivy and Young Education Group is not just to rest on our laurels and take for granted what we've done here in the city of Los Angeles, but also to work together with a skilled team to advance this effort across the nation.
Here at Ivy and Young Center, we are seeing a lower rate of chronic absence as compared to the district and higher proficiency. Our students want to be here. They want to work in teams. They want to experience things that they're interested in. They want to connect with industry partners outside of our campus. And so this experience is so different from what they've had before, and it's so engaging. You just want more students to experience it.
We're trying to build at least 10 of these across the country. This is just the start.
We have been charged to feed our students such that they can be all that they possibly can and reach their full potential.
What is innovation, and why do we keep using that word? And can the classroom experience be more than just sitting in rows and brick and mortar, but more so, can it be experiences that prepare them and that meet them where they are?
So when we were at Beats, we had tons of employees, but the ones that I would always lean to, they had what I call a superpower. They understood culture, the feel of technology. They understood what they wanted it to look like, which was design. They understood the end user, which is the customer. So we want to come here and get these kids early. We believe we're going to give these kids an advantage, a different type of education, so you all can sell these kids. Go out there and say, you want this kid because the modern job needs these kids.